Bbnaija, Chichi and Deji get cozy under the duvet. Bbnaija level up housemates Deji and Chichi have left tongues wagging owing to their bedroom moment which was caught live on camera. The duo, who appear to have kicked off a relationship in Biggie's house, could be seen having a cozy moment during light out. At a point, Chichi went on top of Deji as their romance got more intense. Fake housemates Deji on his part has given viewers the impression of not reciprocating Chichi's love, as he has been spotted on several occasions backing off whenever she tries to pull some romantic stunts on him. He has once complained about being avoided by girls in the house because they are all afraid of Chichi. Be it as it may, the duo had an amorous moment during the cold night. So guys, officially Chichi and Deji are now the couple in Biggie's house, as they were spotted live on camera having their bedtime. Guys, what do you really think about Chichi and Deji's relationship? Do you think it is one-sided, as Ibuka insinuated on Sunday? Or do you think Deji is just trying to play safe in all of this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.